So I'm gonna show Destiny how to make some protein pancakes. So this is what we're gonna use for the pancake mix, Kodak cakes, because it's really low in calories and it actually comes with protein as well. So it's just for one serving, which is half a cup, which is this right here. This half a cup right here. One of these is 14 grams of protein and 190 calories. So that's what we're gonna use. Just one serving. Depending on how you like your pancakes, this is how we're gonna make them. Banana as a topping. Forgot to bring out the ingredients. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of chocolate chips. We're gonna use half a cup of the pancake mix. Oh, you know what? This probably will be a lot. Actually, I'm only gonna use half because I don't want to make a lot of pancakes. So, and then whatever the amount of pancake mix you use, that's the same amount of water you want to use. So we use a little bit over 1/2 of this. So we're gonna put the water in here, and we're gonna use a little bit more protein. So I'm gonna get the vanilla. Wait, you think chocolate will be better or vanilla? It's gonna be chocolate chip banana pancakes.
Vanilla.
Vanilla. And not too much protein. Probably just like half a scoop in there. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is, and if it starts looking a little too thick like this, then you probably should use a little bit more water. You don't want it too thick. So while you're preparing the pancake, mixing it, you gotta make sure you're heating up the pan so that way when you're done mixing it, you pour it, because you need to get this warm, and then you need to use some of this non-stick cooking spray, so that way so the pancake won't stick. You don't want to use real oil because then you're gonna have so much fat with the oil. So just a little bit of non-cooking spray, and you mix. This is the next step right here. You're gonna pour it in the pan. That's just for one pancake. We have enough to make 2 or 3 more pancakes, but we're gonna cook one at a time. So as soon as you pour the pancake mix in there, if you wanna add some chocolate chips, obviously you don't wanna add too many, but maybe like 3 or like 5 or 6 is good. Okay, so you know it's time to flip it when you see like tiny little holes on the pancake. Looks pretty solid, or bubbles, whatever you wanna call them. So just flip it, just like that. And then you let it cook for another 2-3 minutes, whatever. Okay, so we got our chocolate chip protein pancake. And then you could add any fruit you want, strawberries, blueberries, mango. What other fruit do people use?
Not mango.
Okay, so not mango. And then you cut it up.
You can make them to cookies.
You don't have to use a whole banana, but maybe a little bit. Like this is fine. And then, me personally, I hate syrup. You know, I don't like syrup on my pancakes. I don't like syrup on my waffles. I like the whipped cream. And this one right here, Cold Whip, the light, has 50% less fat than regular whipped cream. Look at this. Look at this. 20 calories, babe. 20 calories. That's it per serving. And the serving size is 2 tablespoons. If you don't know what a tablespoon is, this is a tablespoon. So 2 of these.
That is not 2 tablespoons.
2 of these, that's 20 calories right here. That's it. That's your protein pancake right here. Trust me, it tastes better than it looks. Don't judge a book by its cover, guys. And there you have it. Let me get you a fork and a knife so you can cut it up. Okay, so I'm gonna have Destiny do a drop set. This is the third set. So she's doing 20 pounds. She's gotten really strong on lunges. What we're gonna do is she's gonna have this, she's gonna be stepping on this, right? You'll see why right now. So she's gonna be doing 20 pounds on the lunges. So you don't have to do 20 pounds if you can't do 20 pounds. It's whatever you could do 12 reps with. She could do 20 pounds, so we're gonna do 20s. She's gonna do 12 lunges. Right when she gets to 12, she puts them down and she's gonna rep out another 10 reps on that same leg. So the reason I'm having her step on it during the exercise is that way when she puts them down, she doesn't waste too much time and she just goes straight to 10 more with the band. So her leg's gonna be on fire right away. Even when once she starts this one, it's already gonna be on fire, but it's all mental, guys. You gotta control your mind. If you tell your mind to do it, you're gonna do it. And then she's gonna do the other side, same thing. So, you ready? Yeah, I increased the age. 10 and 12. That's when you get to 10. When you get to 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You could do 12. You could do 12. All right, this is gonna be the hard one right here. 10 more. Let's go. Come on, it's all mental. All right, so you can do it. 3, 4, 10. Let's go. Woo! Good shit. How was that? Brutal. Good job.
Now the other one.
See? I'm putting her through more intense workouts now, and she can handle it. There's no way I would have made her do this in the beginning. No way. I told her that the workouts are always going to be challenging, but I'm never going to have her do anything that I know she can't do. If you're someone who struggles with going low enough when you do squats, there's something you could do. Heel elevator squats. So you put like, right here I got dumbbells. You put your heels on them. This is going to allow you to go lower. It's going to allow you to go lower. So you have a hard time going low. Putting this on your heels when you squat, it's gonna allow you to go lower, but it also does target the legs. If you want to grow those legs, you want some nice legs, it's gonna target the quads, the thighs a lot more when you do them this way. So, you know, body weight to start. Once you know you could do them body weight, grab some dumbbells like this. You got yourself a workout. So if you guys notice, compared to the other workouts earlier in the series, we're not doing like so many trisets or supersets where I had to do one workout straight to another one, straight to another one. This month we're focusing more on strength. So I'm giving her heavier weights. She's taking longer breaks though, because it's important that if you guys are trying to grow, eventually like you have to increase the weight, right? And if you're doing a lot of weight, in her case, she was doing 20 pounds on the dumbbell. That's 40 pounds. When you do one set of that, the next set you want to at least do that same amount of weight and reps. And in order for that to happen, you have to give yourself longer breaks. If you take short breaks, like 20 seconds, 15 seconds, you're not giving your muscles enough time to recover to be able to do that same amount of weight and reps. So that's very important. If you guys are going heavier, you're gonna need longer breaks. Try to push for 12 again, but try to do more. That's why it's very important when you guys are working out. You know, you know yourself if you could do more reps. If you could do an extra 2 or an extra rep, go for it. You know, those reps matter. They add up in the big picture. All those all that little progress you're making is eventually gonna add up into something big. So right here, I'm telling her to do 12 reps because that's what we did last time. But I'm telling her if she knows she could do 13 or maybe 14 reps, to push yourself. 'Cause that's what it's gonna take. You know, to see results, you gotta push yourself. You gotta push yourself in the end. Little more. Okay. Three more. That's 2. Okay, so you're gonna grab this. I'm gonna give you this weight. So you can put it here. And you do one. Okay. So it'll be a little harder. Bring your feet a little bit. Yeah, there you go.
They stay.
Yeah. Take it like a 30-minute nap. No, I mean 30-second nap. Remember this one where you take your leg to the side? We're only gonna do 2 sets of this one. And so once you're done with this side, you go to this side, and then you just go straight to this side. Because when you do this side, and then you go here, this one's resting while you're working this one. So once you're done with this one, you don't need to take any longer breaks since this one already rested. Just go straight to it. Right side. You're gonna do a squat with press using this band. You're gonna step on this. You're gonna put this band. You're gonna hold it here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna squat. And then, but if this is too hard, then we'll just do the squats with the dumbbells. Good job. This almost feels like cardio. That was good. We just finished first workout of week number 8. That's crazy.